Hey guys, this is Meredith, and today I'm going to be demonstrating for you Wolfram Alpha. Wolfram Alpha is a conceptual knowledge engine, but it's more than just a search engine. It can give you access to the world's facts and data and calculates answers across a range of topics. There is an app that you can purchase for if you have an Apple product, and as you can see, it's $2.99, and it shows you all the different things that you can use Wolfram Alpha for. But today I'm just going to demonstrate it for you on the web. So you're going to type in www.wolframalpha.com. And this is what it looks like right when you pop in. And so, like I said, it's kind of broken up into categories, or you can type in your own, what you want to know about. One of the things I like about this site is that you can use it without creating an account, but if you want to create an account, you can do that as well. So to create an account, you're going to go over here to sign in. And I have already created an account, so it's already saved. But if you don't have one, you're going to go here to create one. And it'll ask you for your first name, your last name, your email, and then to create a password. So I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. And like I said, it still looks the same. So it's one thing I really love about being able to have an account or not. The good things about having an account is it will save to your what they call the Wolfram Alpha iCloud. And then you can also create your own things. So if you look over here, you have favorites, history, preferences, things that you've downloaded or uploaded. You can upload things to this website. And then you can also take a tour. If you take a tour, it says, what is Wolfram Alpha? It is a unique engine for computing answers and providing knowledge. You can use it. It says you can use it at work. You can use it at school, at home, at play. And then it says all examples by topic. So this is a huge, huge search engine broken up into many different topics. So this app is really good for ages kindergarten all the way up through college, and it can be adapted for any of those students. A few ways that it can be used in the classroom is math and science, reading dates and time, especially for like me when I use it for the kindergarten. This is one app or a website, I guess, that I haven't been able to use much because I never heard about it, but we talked about it in class, and so I decided to research more into it and figure out how I could use it for my classroom. So they have mathematics, we have reading, places and geography, life sciences. So an example one would be, say I wanted to research dogs. Whoops. So it says computing, and then it comes up with all these different types of dogs. So it kind of interpreted it and said dog breeds. Now you'll see down here at the bottom that it's working. It's kind of trying to come up with more answers. And then it comes up with like all different kinds of information. Depending on like what type of dog. And then if you keep scrolling down, it talks more and more about like a dog. Say you wanted to do science, I could look up the solar system. Let's look at planets. So then it gives me the planets, and then from there it's going to research a bunch of different topics. So it talks about the symbols for each of the planets. It talks about distance from Earth, average distance from Earth, distance from the sun, and it goes on and on. So I think that one way this goes in with our Bloom's taxonomy would be strength would be in the apply phase, where the use of information in a new situation to help implement, solve, and demonstrate, interpret, and execute. Ways to go with the SMAR can be used in the program is word, where instead of having the student write the word, that they type the word into their program. The educator can discuss the weather in a city. Say you wanted the weather in a city. Oh, look, there's one. Weather in London. Then modification would be to discuss the current week history, and augmentation would be to forecast the currently week along with the average highs and lows and graphs of the information. The redefinition is if you could use the Wolfram cloud to interact with students across the world and share history and graphs of the current weather, along with the week history and the comparison. I think this will be a really fun app that I'll be able to implement into my kindergarten classroom. Like I said, there are so many things you can do with this. You can take a tour of this website, and it can show you different ways of how to use it. So like I said, Wolfram Alpha, it's a great search engine, but like I said, there's just tons of other different things. So yeah, enjoy.